Before making this video, I was told by King Reps I couldn't adjust these shocks while on the truck. False. I achieved it. My compadres, the underdogs are the real rulers here on this channel. Let the rebellion commence. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your front suspension is off the ground. You want to relieve all the pressure on the shocks as much as you can. First thing I'm going to do with an 18mm open end wrench, loosen the coupling just enough where it's still snug and I can push up the hose out of the way in order to stick the collar wrench onto the collar to start my compression. The objective here is not only to get the hose out of the way, but to make sure that there's no oil leaks because this is high pressure fluid in these reservoirs. Once the hose is out of the way, make sure you tighten the coupling to hold that pressure while you're compressing the shock. Next, I'm going to use my 3/16 Allen wrench and I'm going to loosen the pinch bolt one turn counterclockwise, making sure not to loosen more than one turn. Next, I'm going to spray some lube on the threads just to make it easier when I'm compressing. My advice to you guys, which I don't show here in this video, go ahead and raise that collar all the way to the top and then start to compress so you can count your turns. For every 5 turns equals 1 inch of lift, 2.5 turns equals 1/2 inch lift. To achieve the 2.5 inch lift, I did 12.5 turns on the passenger side, but because Tacomas tend to favor the driver's side due to the gas tank, battery, and other heavy components that are on that side of the vehicle, I went up an extra turn of the driver's side, going to 13.5 turns. This is what we call Tacoma lean. Now this worked for me, but you might need to adjust yours depending on what you have versus what I have. This is why I decided to learn how to do this on my own, because if not, you would have to take it off, have them compress it again, or if the pros are doing the installation and charge by the hour, now it can get spendy. I'm happy with my ride height. Now I'm going to retighten the adjuster nut pinch bolt. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that hose back into its correct position and retighten it. And last, I'm going to install my reservoir onto its bracket. Time. Now to all my viewers, I just want to say hard work pays off, and now it's time to hit the off-road with confidence. Huge thanks to all my subscribed members for the support throughout this mod journey. Your encouragement keeps the wheels turning. Stay tuned for some adventures ahead. Peace.